Guys, look, this time we got a whole bag full of bird food. And we're here back to feed them birds up the stairs.
Imagine rats.
Oh, yeah. Look at Tyler has beautiful socks over his pants.
What the
Fashionable?
heck?
Fashionable?
Why?
Well, I don't know. You put that on like that. Oh, we got a perfect spot right here, Tyler. Okay.
Remember, it was small.
Yeah. Let's go to the back. Let's go to the back. Maybe they're back there. We can always come back. Oh, a small little chipmunk. Wait, chipmunk eat this stuff? No, he's coming to you. Look at that. He has a nut in his mouth. Oh, it's so small. Oh, holy crap, a bee, a huge bee. Look, right here. Right in here, right in the bush.
Holy shit.
Oh, a wasp. Right on my leg, look.
Oh, get him. Oh,
No, don't kill them. Leave them. Beautiful. Is there birds here?
Well, I eventually run out of food.
Yeah. There's another one on your left. See, he's coming. See, two of them. He's coming. Hey, look up. He's coming. Stay still. Oh yeah, he's coming. Oh look.
Oh. Him again.
I know. Oh, there's a nice sitting area right here. Oh, there's a bird feeder right there. That's why. What do they eat? I don't know. They eat nuts, right? I thought.
So furry.
Yeah. Oh, it went to the... Oh, great. I don't think we should be here. Big, huge forest here. Oh, wow. Looks like axe.
I want two here.
I don't know.
How's a hollow? Oh, jeez.
What? Ew.
In there, see?
Hmm?
There's one in there.
Oh, yeah. Oh. There's one here. Tyler. Look. He's standing on the log there. Tyler, behind you. He's coming at you. Stay still. Turn around. Look at him. He's right in front of you. They eat seeds, Tyler. Right above you on the feeding plate. Yeah. It's coming back. I know. Want food in your hand? I have food.
Oh, bird.
Huh?
Another chipmunk.
Oh yeah, wow.
His friend is coming. Come.
Holy, that squirrel is huge. There's two squirrels on your left.
Oh my god, they're coming to me. Oh,
Oh wow.
no.
Oh no, oh, he'll come back. He'll come back.
Look at that dude. What is he doing?
Turn left. He's taking a poop. Oh look, chipmunk at the same time. Oh, I moved too fast. Coming back.
Come.
Oh. There's so many of them right there.
Oh my god, that's weird.
Oh wow. Oh, it knows where to go. It went up there. See, look. Oh, his mouth is full of food. Look. See that?
Yeah.
And he's going to go feed his family.
I want to remove his ladder.
Oh, his mouth is full of food. Look at his tail. Oh, this guy keeps coming back. Look.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Is he? Right?
It's the same guy. Look at this guy. He's collecting all the food in his lips. And he's going. Whoop. Bye. Come back later.
That's where he goes.
Where is he going?
Where
Yeah.
did he go?
Yeah, man. Look at him. Look at him. Okay. Tyler said there's a hole over here. He went down there?
Yeah, he went down here.
Whoa.
There's a hole.
What?
Wait, I'm gonna put some food here.
Okay. When he come up, he's gonna be shocked.
He's just gonna be like, holy, what is this?
There's two giants here.
I don't know if I want it on my hand though.
He's coming. He's coming. Shh. Nope. He's coming. He's coming. Oh, wow. He's so quick. Yeah.
Want some? What is he doing?
He's getting food for his family in the hole. And he's gonna go up the highway. Oh. 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 Okay. Aw. How about we don't let you?
Can I like remove that branch?
No. This is his normal living condition. Well, he's collecting so much food.
That's how it all disappeared.
Yeah.
The birds don't eat it. I'm gonna not let him see me.
Are you gonna stop him from going?
I'm just gonna scare him. That's why he falls.
Oh. 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 He doesn't know where to go. Oh. Oh. Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Oh, whoa, whoa, oh, dude, that's rude. Tyler. There's two lovebirds.
What's he gonna do?
Let's see if it's gonna find his house. Nope. Oh, he moved the leaf.
Bruh,
Oh.
he's
He's
smart.
like, what you doing to my house? Like, Tyler upgraded his house. Oh, okay.
Okay, so see that chipmunk's house looks like that right now. See, like not too good.
Okay.
It is a hole, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, waste.
Okay.
So we're gonna add this piece of wood here.
Okay, all right. Before he comes up.
And then he's gonna come out with a leaf.
Yeah, he's gonna pop the leaf open.
He's gonna be so
He'd be like,
excited.
why is my entrance longer than usual? Oh, it's coming back finally. Oh, it sees the squirrel. It's like scared. It's like their highway, dude. Oh, and birds on the ground too.
They're not scared.
Nope. Hmm. I've never seen this squirrel this close. They're right there. Oh, that guy scared them away. The squirrel's hands is so ugly. Whoa, what is he doing? Look at that. He's gonna jump. Oh, there's a small bird.
Oh,
Look, they're kissing on that log. Oh my god. Look, yo, they're kissing. Literally. Look. Do you see that? Do you see it, Tyler?
yeah, I know.
Look. What is with that? Look. Hairy woodpecker. Seriously?
Hmm?
He's hairy woodpecker. He's a woodpecker. I didn't even know
Well,
he's so
that's
small.
why they eat wood. Remember?
Oh yeah, right. He's eating the wood.
Harry. His name is Harry.
Great, Harry. I thought you were gonna name him Jack. We saw so many different birds today.
Baby.
Yeah.